Hey guys, that's me. So, I'm Shazam Vlogs, and you guys are great fans, aka my fans out there, aka my fans out there, because you guys are my Shazam fans, aka my Shazam fans out there. But so I'm going to the barber shop to change my face paint. Anyways, and then I'm gonna go to the Sirian's place, check the cost out, and then I go to the Alice Call Me to check the other cost out too. So, yeah, it is to check them out. So, I already checked out a casino already, but I already have that car already. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I do. So, guys, just before I just purchased my last and final service vehicle of my game. Of my side of the game, of the TA. So that means my silver. So guys, I just bought my own super yacht. Yes, because oh come on, dude. This dude needs to stop bothering me. I don't want other players, okay, with us, come after me. I don't want that. Because they only care about KO me. To be wasted. And I don't want that. So, yes, I bought the yacht because I had 2.9, aka 29 million bucks. And I was saving up. I was actually saving up that much money, but for the mansion, this dude's annoying, so annoying. Ooh, so I just won my yacht into a battleship version. Oh yeah. Ooh, 1.4 from this one. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, good, okay. So, ooh, that's a T. Oh, that's really nice. 2.4. Okay. So, I'm at that super luxury thing. Yeah, I checked it for the two new cars over here. It's that those cars are super nice. But if I have the much money back up again, I'm gonna buy one of them. But guys, yes, it's battleship yacht. But of the name of my yacht, it is actually called shazamarverick. Yeah, shazamarverick. Yeah. Because you know my name, right? My YouTube name, right? As Shazam. But to my blood related Russell, he's and his name is actually the real Maverick Savage. So I combined my name into his name into Shazam Rick. And I did, guys. Yes, I did. I named it as that. Sorry, boy. If you watch this video, I hope, really hope, if you come back, I'm going to show you our own yacht. Yes, guys, because my yacht is also his yacht. See? There's, oh my gosh. Because it's all because I love to share my stuff with my brother, blood related brother. I'm gonna tell you why I call my solid boy blood related, and that will be the short version. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm gonna explain the real truth that Charlotte is my blood related. Yeah, I'm gonna do that in the short video. Okay, stay tuned for that. But selecting the notifications, guys. Make sure you click it to the gray, but make sure it's undinged on the both sides. That makes for you guys for staying tuned for the brand new videos for you guys to enjoy and to able to watch. Okay, guys? But the main part is to click on the big thumbs up. But the main reason the main part is click that subscribe button to the gray, but make sure it's a D, just because that's the true Shazam fan way. Make sure you do that, guys. Alright, because that is most important to do, okay? So, make sure you do that, guys, okay? Make sure you do. So right now I'm actually customizing my for my customer, for my client. Boom, it's done. That and then the tie, there's the muscle. But yes, guys. Sorry, boy. If you come back and continue to play GTA with me, I'm gonna show you our yacht. Alright? So guys, make sure you do all the run-outs, okay guys? Because that is the most important things to do. This, yeah, click it to me gray as that. Because if we do that, I'm just saying, stay tuned. But the main part is subscribe to us. Great as a D. Because if we do that, guys, that's the most important thing to do. Alright? So, guys, please make it happen, guys. Alright? Yes, but no, I'm gonna show the yacht, my yacht, actually mine, slash, Charlie's yacht together. Yeah, I might do that in the other video. Alright, guys. So. Yeah, because I just purchased it away. It cost me about 2.8 million with the light and on, yeah, all that stuff. But yeah, that's it. So, oh, sorry guys, I just burped. So. That's the video, guys. If you want, make sure you guys do all of the one now, guys. Guys, I really did got the yacht. But I called my brother, Shaquani, and let him know that I got the yacht. Yay! So that's why I did that, and I did. I'm so proud of my own self right now by purchasing that. So that's good for watching, guys. Keep it all up. Make sure you do all that right now, guys. But I am shazamarverick. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Alright? Stay tuned for all that, guys. Alright? I'm shazamarverick. I'm gonna see ya over there. Facebook. Peace out.